Well, howdy ho, people. What's happening? Yo, yo, yo. What's up, dog? Well, we're going to have a great show tomorrow, guys. Just want to come on here and tell you guys that we will be live tomorrow night, Sunday night. If it's Sunday, then tonight, January 27th, 2019. We're going to have a great and awesome show. We're going to have a lot of great information. We have Bill Spohn, the El Presidente or Co-Presidente of True Tech Tools. He'll be there. We have some great comedy bits from AK, maybe a sprinkle of comedy from yours truly here. And we're going to be testing that same leaky ass coil, except this time we're going to do a little bit of nitrogen testing to see how accurate a nitrogen test is on the coil like that with digital gauges. G. Martinez gave us that great idea, so we're going to see how easy it is to spot that it's a leaker doing a little old nitrogen test. So check that out. We're going to do that. We have a great show. We're going to be doing some giveaways, so stick around for that too. Later in the show, we're going to be doing some giveaways. We might even be giving away. Hold on a second. Oh. What am I trying to reach? It's too far away. Might even be able to give away some of this stuff. Vacuum crab. That's me. I'm the vacuum crab. Get your happy on with Appion, baby. That'll come with a couple core tools too, guys, and a whole bunch of fittings in a kit. So that's going to be a sweet, sweet prize. So you want to be there for that one. And it's not going to be one of them let Nightbot do it prizes. You're going to want to tune in and make sure you're tuned in the whole time. If you know what I'm saying. Hey, that's shameless. So make sure you tune in tomorrow night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this channel, HVAC Shop Talk Podcast. And you might just walk home a winner of knowledge and stuff. And everybody knows that that's the best. Material things. Then knowledge. In that order.